Morning guys, Prop Shop. I'm gonna go over the watch list for today. 5 stocks. PBMD, what a crazy stock, man. Look at this. From $1, I think it was like 50 cents. I don't know. 140 to 648 to 389 to 5. Anyways, with this stuff, you just gotta trade the moment. Nothing else you can do. Long term for me on this thing is 5 minutes. 5, 10, 15 minutes. No more than that. That's a long term trade with this thing. But anyways, like I said, I trade the moment. Here, what you're looking for in the morning here at the this is pre-market, trying to break out. I don't think it's ever gonna go red to green, but at least the bounce into this previous support 519 is this low here, and this low is I think 520. That's a big move, but if you can get at least half of that, who knows? This is pure speculation. Maybe a measured move. This low here is 365. High 397. Yeah, 75, 85, 95, 32 cent move for a measured move. So you can go to 440, 450, and then you place a stop at 365. Something like that, maybe even better. 380s, stop at 380, try and enter 390s. That's my way of thinking about this trade. You get a 10-cent risk for potential 30 to 40 cent reward. That's the way I see it here. Anyways, next one is ISR. These two are in the same space, so you gotta be careful with this one. This one's a higher float though. Tends to grind a little more. It'll probably give you more liquidity. Well, anyways, for this, again, stop 318, and then this one could really go. I'm thinking it maybe retest at 370s. This was back in yeah, you see this high here, 377 back in March. It could go there again and even hit 4. So I would think this one is a good play this morning. Just stop around here at 320s and then let it go. Try and sell some at 370s. 360s near the resistance, even above 350, and then the rest at 4. Over in the 4. That's it for SR, and then VBLT. This one caught my eye yesterday. I think they're presenting on the 30th some data. Nice little flag here, 3-day pullback. Came back strong here. Some volume, not a whole lot, but some volume. Just have it on watch for a retest of this high here, 709, and then 786. If they have good data, well, who knows? Look at this gap here, around 12. So you must have this one on watch, definitely. Mela, MELA. Nice little base here. Popped yesterday into resistance at the 165 line. I'm watching this 176 high here, and yesterday was trading higher after hours, so that's a good sign. Even today maybe. Well, anyways, watch for 176 resistance. Once it breaks, then it's almost a free ride here, I think, to over 2, and then it's gonna, this is a stopping area here, because this was the previous support at around 222, right? So if you get it around here, selling over 2 a bit, and then the rest near 222, remaining position at 222. That's what I would do here, and then a stop around 150, or let me see. Yeah, I mean, once stop around 157, it'll be a good stop, because it's already trading at 160s. So you'll risk 9 and 10 cents with potential for 30 to 40 cents. That's a great RR there, risk reward for Mela. And CLDN. Bad data, typical. On some of these bios, they just look at these from 13 $3. It popped yesterday on some European news in the afternoon. Decent volume, good to have it on watch. You got resistance at 3, and then if it gets news, you can maybe a measured move from 2 to, you have 2 to 3 here, so it could go to, that's a $1 measured move, so you can expect it to at least go to 4. And if it's really big news, well then, you know, look at this gap here. I mean, I'm not saying it's going to go to 12, but you know, at least halfway. Look at, I usually do this. Look at these lows here on February 2014, around 741. So if it gets really big news, you could have resistance at the 740s. Then again, just speculating. That's what a trader does. And let me look at oh yeah, that's about it. Oh no, okay. HNSN. This one had a an investor that raised a stake yesterday. I saw that on we were alerted by Trade Exchange, Zozo. He posted that on in the afternoon yesterday, and it got a nice little move from $1 to 110. I think he posted it right here, and I was looking at it right after he posted. It popped a little bit to 102, came back down, and I had all the time of my life to buy it at $1, and I didn't. You believe that? Sometimes we're just stupid. Anyways, yeah, the thing just went to 110 and then pulled back, but it's good to have it on watch. You see here, the daily chart looks pretty good actually. It's obviously gonna have resistance at 110. It had a lot of sellers there on the level 2, and then if it breaks, it goes to, then the next point will be 116, 118 is gonna have sellers there, and then this is the big area here, 123. So keep it on watch. Obviously, if it breaks 123, chances are could go to, let me see, this is another big area here, 133, 134. But this is not a small float. This thing tends to grind. It has, I think it has like a 90 million share float. So it's kind of a grinder. But it's always, you know, you just keep it on watch, and you never know. Look at, you know, it can move. That's it, guys. Hope you have a good day and a profitable one, and let's just kill it today. Let's do it. All right, this is Prop Shop. Signing out. Take care, guys.